Hello and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're finding the particular solution. Okay, so we have that the second derivative of x is equals to 2, then the first derivative evaluated on 2 is 5, and now the function evaluated on 2 is 10. So let's analyze this. So if we integrate the second derivative with respect to x, this will be equals to the first derivative plus a constant c. And this will repeat if we integrate the first derivative, right? This will be equals to the primitive plus another constant c. Okay, so let's go with the first part. So the integral of the second derivative, which is 2 dx, will be equals to just 2x plus c, right? And this is our first derivative, right? So let's write that better. This will be equivalent to our first derivative. Okay, our first derivative is 2x plus c. What else do we know? We know that this first derivative evaluated on 2, right, should be 5, but let's evaluate that on 2. So we'll have 2 times the 2 plus c, and this is equals to 5. So this will be 4 plus c. Therefore, my first value of c is 1. So if we build the first derivative here, we'll have 2x plus 1. Okay? So with this information, with the first derivative, we're going to continue with the second part. On the second part, we have the integral of 2x plus 1, which is the first derivative, dx. Okay, and this should be equals to what? Let's separate the integral, 2x dx plus integral of just dx. This is 2x squared over 2 plus x plus another constant c. Let's remember that this is now the primitive function. Let's understand this. When we integrate the first time the second derivative, we had the first derivative, right? Now that we're integrating the first derivative, now we're ending having the original function, also called the primitive. Okay, so this will be, my original function will be x squared plus x plus c. What do we know about this original function? We know that f of 2 should be 10. Let's evaluate on 2 first. This will be 2 to the square plus 2 plus c. So my f of 2, we know that that is 10. So we have 10 equals to 4 plus 2 plus c. So we have 10 equals to 6 plus c. Let's solve for c, and c is equals to 4. Okay, let's shrink this for a second so we're able to write our answer there. Okay, our final answer will be our f of x should be x squared plus x plus 4. Now, if we find the first derivative here, see that the first derivative should be 2x plus 1, and f of 2 here is 5. And if we find the second derivative here, this is just 2. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you.